Hi, my name is Darren. I'm here today to show you how to use your upfloor tile and create an amazing space, an amazing pattern that is bespoke to you. So what we've got here is our upfloor in its clear state without any mosaics in it. It's a 300 by 300 mil tile. It's 14 millimeters thick, and we've got these locations here. There's a total of 196 locations where you can put a coloured mosaic in. And I'm going to take you through how we plan out those patterns and how you install them. It's very simple. So there's the tile without anything in it, and here's one which has got a completed pattern. And if you can see that we've got a repeating pattern here, that if you put another tile next to it, that will continue and build. So you can have repeating patterns, or you can have patterns that go across several tiles depending on the scale of the space and the design that you're trying to create. Honestly, this is a geometric, excuse me, a geometric shape, but you could create a dolphin. We've got an example of a pineapple on our website. Really, any shape that you're trying to create. Here, I'll show you an example of another geometric shape that was used on a swimming pool, a spa area actually. And you can see how once this scales up and you go over a larger area, that creates a very aesthetic shape and brings colour and interest to a space. So let's get into the detail and I'll show you how we do that. So from the base tile, we come up with an idea for a pattern and decide the colours we're going to use, and then we'll lay that out with the mosaics upside down. You can see here that I can lift this and move it around from place to place. So let's have a look at what the orange ones look like up there. We'll just move this around and we can take a look at that shape and see whether they're happy with it. I'm just going to put those back. There we go. So once we're happy with it, then we've simply got to turn these mosaics round and snap them in place. So you've got two prongs in there. It doesn't matter the orientation, you can just snap those straight into place. It doesn't take very much pressure. I can use two hands for speed. Very simple. You can have one person laying the pattern out and several people clicking them in if you want to. It's very simple. It's a very pleasing process to be honest. It's quite fun. We get a lot of feedback from the joy people have had in creating the shapes and patterns. Children like doing it. Once these mosaics are in place, it's a very secure fitment. They're designed not to come out so children can't get them out. We don't want children playing with these things. We don't want it to be a choke hazard, and it needs to be a secure fitment. So once they're in place, they will not come out. If you want to take them out to make an adjustment, you can simply turn the tile over, and these clips can be released with a pair of pliers. Just pinch them together and the mosaic will drop straight back out, and you can reuse that mosaic. So I've done that with my fingers, but you can do that with a pair of pliers. So there you go. Snap straight back into place. So it's a secure fitment. It's very easy to do. Laying them out upside down allows you to make adjustments to your pattern and your design, and then you can finalize that design by turning them over and snapping them in place. Very simple and easy to do. Please visit our website and check out our other content. We've got a keyring offer on there, so you can get a free keyring with I think it's 6 mosaics come with that, different colored mosaics, so you can just snap them in place, have fun with that, create a keyring with your own color patterning. And it's just to show you how easy these mosaics are to fit and what a fun process that is. So yes, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed what we've shown you today, and please have fun with Versoflor and get creative.